Interactive LED flooring is gaining popularity worldwide. What's the idea? With special LED screens, any floor can be transformed into a beachside shore or display any image. A super fresh and innovative concept for spas, pools, and even hotels. More business ideas in my profile. This machine could destroy beauty salons. A modern company called Clockwork has developed a robot that does manicures faster than a salon technician and at a lower price. All a customer has to do is pick a color, and the machine paints the nails with millimeter precision. The robot scans the shape of the nails and does a flawless job. Retail stores, airports, and malls around the world are already starting to install these machines. Thai vendors are making a fortune selling coconut water. All they need is a busy location, special equipment, and a supply of fresh coconuts. In Thailand, one of these drinks costs just $150. People are fascinated by the preparation process and love buying coconut water to cool off in the heat. This format is now spreading to beaches and parks. In the Caribbean, two brothers found a cool way to attract tourists and multiplied their revenue. It's simple. They started serving drinks in a unique way. They cut holes in coconuts and insert open bottles of alcohol into them. This creates an unusual and delicious flavor. The original presentation catches the attention of passers-by, and people line up for this new cocktail. Other businesses have already started adopting the idea. You'll fall in love with this business idea. A pastry chef from New York came up with a brilliant alternative to cakes and took social media by storm. What's the concept? She attaches strawberries to each other, first covering them in colorful chocolate, then she decorates the dessert, shapes it into a cube, and packs it in a premium box. The result is a luxurious product that gives customers an emotional experience and goes viral online. Have you ever thought this thing could become a business? This girl made it happen. She creates exfoliating soap using natural loofah. The process is simple. She cuts the loofah from the tree, opens and rinses it. Then she slices it, places the slices into an ice cube tray, adds liquid soap, and a few decorative touches. The result is a natural soap bar that also works as a scrub, thanks to the loofah fibers. She films the process and shares it on social media, attracting new buyers. Customers love the natural product and recommend it to friends. The soap is eco-friendly and chemical-free. These geniuses launched a business based on meat appetizers, and now they're flooded with customers. Their snacks are the perfect choice for serving at any event, from weddings to corporate parties. Not only do these snacks look visually appealing, but they also make it easy for guests to mingle and enjoy their food. Many entrepreneurs have started exploring this niche, since meat is considered a premium product and promises high profit margins. That's because the event industry is surrounded by large budgets. Smart people from France came up with funny slippers and made millions of dollars on them. The idea is simple to the point of madness. They developed the concept of kissing slippers. Thanks to the combination of comfort, style, and innovation, customers fell in love with their product. Thus, slippers have already become popular in Europe. The video started to collect hundreds of millions of views on social media. As a result, the product started to spread all over the world. This is what a viral product means. This girl creates works of art right from home using images and glue. The essence of her project is that she prints miniature versions of famous paintings, covers them with hot glue, and presses a stamp on top to create a beautiful shape. Then she paints the sides to give the illusion of a picture frame, attaches a magnet, and the artwork is ready. One of these magnetic mini paintings sells for about $8. Her idea is already being adapted for different events like birthdays, weddings, and guided tours. This unusual idea has become a new trend in floral design. A flower is placed inside a clear jar filled with water and sealed with an airtight lid. The result? A compact, stylish bouquet that looks premium and takes up little space. The best part? It's allergy friendly, since there's no direct contact with pollen.